Day one of testing viral kitchen hacks that everybody's talking about. Today, these bell peppers say no more seeds everywhere. For this one, you're going to place the pepper on the board. We're going to cut off the nub at the top. Then we're going to place the pepper flat upside down. Now we're going to cut the pepper into quarters. So what we can do is we can follow the lines on the pepper. And would you look at that? All the little seeds are hanging around together like a little party. This one is a keeper. Join me next week for my next challenge of day 2 of viral kitchen hacks that I'm testing to see if they actually work.